Everyone's lining up to see her.
What is up, you guys? My name is Daizshanaemarie, and today we are getting ready for a party. I decided, I want to have a party. I want to host a little something something. We have to clean up the entire house. Good news. I have a fence now. We just don't have furniture, so I don't know if we're gonna go and find some today or if we're just gonna order some online. But I don't think I have a lot of seating. I don't know how many people are coming, but I only have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 seats. You know what I mean? You could probably fit 4 people on the couch as if people want to sit in the middle, but yeah, I don't have that much seating, to be honest. I guess I could bring down my gaming chair. I don't know. We were thinking about buying folding chairs, but then I'm like, well, what are we gonna use those for? So yeah. Anyways, basically what we have to do, kitchen, it's just like a good sweep down of everything. I want to vacuum. I kind of want to mop, but that's only if we have time. We can probably Swiffer. Just sweeping up mainly, just reorganizing. We have to go to the store, like a Y2K party. Yes, and I know that means year 2000, but it's just 2000 to 2010. That's the theme. We got the Wii, we got a playlist, and I'm going to be wearing Juicy Couture, so I'm really excited about that. I feel like it's going to be a fun time. So yeah, it's just gonna be like a cleaning vlog, just getting ready for the day. So we just did a little bit of yard work. I did not film that, my apologies, but we're about to head out to the store, so I can film there. I'm just changing my pants to some jeans, and then, yeah, we'll head out. I don't know, I'm like nervous. Well, first of all, let me tell you this. I was supposed to have a brand sponsor, and a brand was supposed to send over some products, and I was going to do content and everything. So it's a win-win. I get to film some content, but the stuff is still sitting in California, and today is 4/20. So, and also the fact I emailed her in March about getting that set up, and she responded to me last week about it, and I don't know why she just didn't expedite this shipping. So oh well, I told my friend, she's like, never work with them again. I was like, yeah, I'm not going to. But I mean, we win some, we lose some. So we are doing a lot of errands in this area. So we're first heading to Dollar Tree, might stop by Home Depot, and then we're gonna head to Target. Dollar Tree is just for the party. Home Depot is for outdoor furniture, and Target's a little bit of cleaning supplies, extra stuff that we can't find all of it. Oh, we should have a little, oh, Aiden.
So this is what I was talking about.
I know what you're talking about.
We don't have to, but
I just don't feel like cleaning it up.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I do want some lights, like one of the, you know what I'm talking about?
The disco ball? Yeah.
Not even like a disco ball, but where it's a ball and it has different colors. Just something to make it like a party room.
I want to look for the carpet cleaner stuff too.
Oh, yeah.
And
I don't know where floor cleaner. I think we're this is floor cleaner, but I don't think they have it dry.
Oh, look right here.
Oh, well, that's perfect, yeah.
Do you want just one of these and then one of those?
Yeah, because there's 20 in here, so.
Alright, and then we can put the other one back. That's annoying how they don't. Why did they get rid of it? Did it cause
some people have their vacuum, said it ruined their vacuum.
Oh, dang.
It gunked it up, you know?
I mean. Okay, drinks and chips.
Here we go.
To see if I could get one for free. Oh, I did apply to a campaign actually. So.
Oh, well, no, I don't want to wait. I just want one.
Right now, we have to get one today.
Well, I guess not. I was just saying it makes it easier for watering the gardens in the front.
I mean, I guess if you want to.
No.
Okay, we're heading into the garden center here. There's a lot of people out today. Okay. So, found this for $400. What do you think? Yes or no? $500?
I like it. Is it comfortable though?
Yeah, it's the most comfortable one that we sat on so far.
Okay. Home Depot?
Yeah.
We're paying $70
Menards?
for each thing.
What'd you say?
You tried Menards too?
We haven't gone there. But I mean, this is the cheapest one that we actually seen.
Well, how long is it
So
going to
how much was the other one that you were looking at online?
It was $7.99, including a fire pit.
Well, this one's on sale until next week, so we can give it time.
But I mean, if we give this today, then we would have a place for people to sit.
Outside?
Or unless you don't think people are going to sit outside today.
Unless you have a fire pit, I don't think anybody's sitting outside. Ain't it a little bit cold?
Okay. We can probably use...
We can hang. Like when we go out and do that. We can just hang out for a little bit. We won't be outside too much longer.
Okay.
Can't you get like a small fire pit though?
Buy a fire... Oh, I guess, let's go look at... I don't see any fire pits, though, here. Like at...
You remember the one that Terry had? It was just like kind of
a globe, yeah.
Not the globe one. I'm talking about... Because that was expensive. I'm talking about like the little itty-bitty thing.
No, I don't know what you're talking... Well, this one right here, Aiden, is a wood one. This is only $160. Yeah. How much was the other one?
Wait, does it match your that table you were just sitting at too? It kind of looks like it. I don't know.
Kind of. I mean, yes and no. Did I send you that picture, or did you take the picture?
I think I took it, but I don't know when that was. Was that before we went out for Kobe's party? Or after?
It was just recently. It kind of looks like it.
The only thing with the cushions, just make sure you take them in or put them in your shed when you're going to have bad weather. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Or replace them every year, I guess, every season.
Because, it doesn't look too bad. And I feel like,
I think that both of them, I think those go good together, actually.
Because, if you see the back...
Yes, that's what I was saying. I think that it matches it.
Yeah, it does.
From a distance?
It does,
I don't
actually.
know. I think it's kind of cool.
Alright, we're here at Target. Why didn't the other person drive instead of her?
I don't know.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay.
It's just gonna be me though.
Because you're
unless
running
you want to
so
hug
fast.
on my side. Excuse me.
Mike's, or is there something better, you think?
I like Twisted Tea.
I don't. What's going to be the most like juice?
These ones?
16, 8.
$17 for that, $19 for that, but that's 12-pack, and this is also a 12-pack, but I think the percentage is lower on these. Yeah, this is 3.2, and this is 5, so...
Wait, didn't Dunkin' have one? I kind of wanted to try the Dunkin' ones.
I don't know.
And you don't think Simply would be good? Not the peach, but...
Just the regular
but that's
Simplies.
The limeade. Oh, the lemonade might be good.
Oh, it's on sale, so...
What's the percentage?
5, so we can probably just do Mike's and Simply's. Or do you just want to do
I just want to do one.
Okay.
We don't need that much alcohol.
Okay.
If people need something to drink, they can go to the store and get some more. Fair. We got a liquor store on the corner.
I'm assuming she's bringing full bottles.
I'm assuming, but again, I pulled out all the stuff that we had. It's still a lot.
Okay.
So,
I just want to make sure everybody has something.
Do we need food? What else? What do we need?
I think just chips, and then we're
chips,
gonna get Little Caesars.
Okay. I feel so.
It's okay. It's like our wedding.
Yeah, just a little bit nervous. And I do want to try pop because...
We can get a can or two.
No, we already wasted money on the Olipop. Now we have to wait until next month.
Okay.
2 for $8.
Doritos and Cheetos. So we could probably just do nacho cheese and Cool Ranch, or just...
Nacho cheese and Cool Ranch, and then Ruffles also has... Are those the big bags or they're small?
Yeah, these are... I don't even see the big bags.
I think the big bags are down here.
Well, Costco prices on snacks.
No. Okay, so do you want Ruffles or do you want a neutral... I like a sour cream Ruffles?
Oh, we could do original, and then I'd be okay with just those two and these two.
But we got 3 bowls.
Well, I guess we could just hold on to one.
Because it's 2 for $8, I guess.
We run out of one.
Yeah.
We could set these out first.
Like one of each, one Dorito, one Ruffles.
Yeah.
Oh, and then
one of whatever.
Yeah.
Probably the other Ruffles. Because people are also going to be so it's a 2-topping pizza, wings, crazy bread. Should we get another pizza?
Just a cheese.
Just a cheese.
Yeah. So
we could do like what 2 toppings? I guess.
That sounds so gross. Pepperoni and sausage just makes me want to throw
not
up.
Pepperoni and sausage. We could do like chicken.
Oh,
and,
or
like,
is
spinach.
cheese a topping?
No, cheese is not a topping. It's a cheese pizza, and then you get 2 toppings. But they have chicken, and then.
Well, I mean, I guess if you want to do pepperoni,
chicken.
It's whatever you want to do.
Okay, we could do like a half pepperoni, half chicken, and then a cheese pizza.
You don't have to do it in half. I would just rather have a cheese pizza. I don't want chicken at all.
Well, I mean for the 2 topping pizza.
I thought 2 toppings just meant that they're just going to pour it all over.
We can split it.
Okay, but are people going to like the floor stuff?
Oh, yeah.
And the Glade. Are people going to like chicken on their pizza? I don't think everybody really cares for chicken pizza.
We'll figure it out when we order.
I'd rather just do. You might as well just do the classic of. Got myself a peach sweet tea. And then Aiden got a peach
Coke Zero. I'm watching my figure. You know, I want to be the best for you.
Okay, now.
That's why we're eating at Zaxby's.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. Nice. Because it's sweet tea. It's not even peach on sweet tea.
Try that. Tangy.
It's very tangy. It's very warm too.
Yeah, I need to switch over the ice. How are you almost out of this?
I didn't really fill it up a lot. Like, I didn't fill it to the top. Is it just the 0?
I think it's the 0. Yeah. That's absolutely disgusting. Ew.
Have you seen those 0 wrinkle straws? It's like, so it goes up and then like to the side, so people just like, but then everybody's just like,
oh yeah. Oh, 0 wrinkle, like you don't get wrinkles.
Yeah, no, the straw, like, but yeah, it's just over consumerism, you know. Yeah, that came out hot. I want some hot tea.
I think I liked it more because you got more peach. Because like tasting now, it just tastes like regular tea. Unless I drank up all the syrup.
That's why it was so good. To make it to go anyways, so we could pack it out.
Okay. No. This was in Walmart.
I had 2011 because I remember because it was 2 like scratches.
Oh.
and my dad got the like the gun insert that you can put the Wiimote in and you like pump it.
Yeah, my dad had these, and I think that's when it started his DJ. Oh, he's been.
I didn't realize it was like that.
See, like, they even have a smaller dog area. That's the reason why I was saying, like, it might still be over here. Because this used to be bigger. What am I looking at? Oh.
Could you imagine just walking through?
Yeah. I know, yeah. So, we're at the mall to... What are we doing? Trying to find a disco ball.
Apparently Lowe's doesn't exist.
This is a Y2K-inspired makeup look. Honestly, you guys, I was not even born in the year 2000. So, do I know what I'm talking about? Not really. First, you gotta start off with your skin prep. I don't know why you guys aren't doing your skin prep before makeup. Like, that does not make any type of sense. I'm going in with Smashbox as my primer. Also, by the way, a lot of this stuff is in my showcase. Please go and check it out. I'm not tagging it on this video, but please! So, eyebrows. I have never done my brows that skinny. And I'm like, I need to go get my eyebrows done. No, let me just keep on carving out my eyebrows with the Huda Beauty stuff. So, I did not know this. These are the same thing? Yeah, Scandinavia created the setting spray, I guess, for Urban Decay. That's pretty cool. Juvia's Place, my heart and soul, I love you so much, but please, can we do a collaboration? Like, why? I'm upset. Anyways, this eyeliner, you're getting a separate video. It is too good. It's too good. Lip liner from the Beauty Supply. Is it giving? Is it giving? Look at my outfit. Juicy Couture, tag them, please. I don't know what happened to the rest of this vlog. I did not record at the party, but I did film this makeup look, and this is what I was wearing to the party and everything. So yeah, I hope this makes up for it. I apologize. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper. Once